Good morning. This is the generator's current state as of 6/4. We are presently in the process of completing wiring and instrumentation. The generator is going to be completed so that we can do a factory acceptance test on capability of the machine. So they are presently installing instruments, piping, wiring. We have somebody inside finishing some insulation, and we are working on control panel wiring, piping, getting it ready for a run test, which our target is to be ready here by the end of the week if all goes well. We have Brian here doing wiring, and the wiring's here that we're putting on the machine. Here is the gas piping. So the pilot piping is completed, and they're working on electrical and tubing. Here is the wiring for the gas train and the instrumentation, and the junction box behind the unit right back here is already wired up, so they're getting ready to run the loops up to the instruments today. And then here is the back end of the unit where we have some insulation and components we're putting on for seals today. And then here is the nameplate of the unit. It's been installed by National Board, and that's the back end of the unit.